Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we are diving into the latest Google Pixel 14 Pro, the flagship that's taking on the smartphone world in 2025. Google has pushed the limits once again with powerful hardware, AI-driven software and a sleek new design. Let's break down everything you need to know about the Pixel 14 Pro. Starting with the features, this phone is all about intelligence and speed. It's powered by the latest Google Tensor G4 chip, delivering next-level performance, efficiency and AI capabilities. Google has doubled down on machine learning, making real-time photo and video enhancements even better. The camera system has received a serious upgrade with a new 1-inch main sensor, allowing for stunning low-light photography, improved optical zoom and AI-powered video stabilization. The front camera now supports 4K recording with enhanced portrait mode. Battery life is another highlight, with a massive 5500 mAh battery optimized through AI to last even longer. The charging speed has also improved with 80W wired charging and 50W wireless charging, ensuring you stay powered up quickly. The software is smoother than ever, running Android 15 with exclusive AI features like advanced voice typing, predictive app actions and real-time language translation directly on the device without needing an internet connection. Moving on to the exterior, Google has refined the design with a slimmer and more premium build. The Pixel 14 Pro features a titanium frame, making it more durable yet lightweight. The back has a new matte glass finish that resists fingerprints while still feeling premium in hand. The display is a stunning 6.7-inch LTPO OLED panel with a 1:120 Hz adaptive refresh rate and an incredible peak brightness of 3000 nits, making outdoor visibility top-notch. Google has also reduced the bezels further, giving it a truly edge-to-edge immersive display. The device is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, ensuring it can handle daily wear and tear. In conclusion, the Pixel 14 Pro is shaping up to be Google's best phone yet. With its advanced AI-powered features, an improved camera system, a powerful battery and a premium design, this phone is built for those who want the best of Android. Google is proving once again that software and AI can make a smartphone experience smarter and smoother than ever. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user or someone looking for a premium Android device, the Pixel 14 Pro is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Pixel 14 Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest smartphones. See you in the next one.